Hi, hello everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. If you watch me, then you know I wear glasses all the time. I wear them every day, all day long, whenever I'm awake. I wear glasses. Glasses are a part of my face. I've been wearing them since I was 3 years old and I honestly cannot see without them. I am going to be getting contacts because now they make them in a way that I can use them. Before, they did not. So now they have multifocal contacts. I'm so excited. But this video is not about that. This is about a company that I found online where I can get my glasses at an extreme discount. My eyeglasses are super expensive because of all the things I need in my frames. I wear multifocal, so I need distance and reading vision, and I have a depth perception of the edge of my glasses. That's it. That's all I've got. So that's why my glasses are expensive, because I need as much real estate in my lens as I can get to see, and that adds up. So these are the glasses I got at the eye doctor's, and these cost me about $400. $400, okay? And this company, it's called Zeelool. This is not sponsored. I'm just excited about this company. I got 2 pairs of glasses, for $230. I got a pair of sunglasses, they're transitions, and I got a pair of computer glasses. And Zeelool sends your glasses to you in a box like this, and it slides. This one opens. I ordered twice, so this is the second box. Opens up, and then your glasses are inside, and they come in a soft case like this. And it also comes with, along with your receipt, it comes with a measuring device to measure your pupil distance. And they also give you a coupon, a scratch off, for your next pair of eyeglasses. Now, I ordered these at the same time, but one pair I entered the prescription wrong, so I had to order again, and with the second pair I got a free eyeglass case. So let me show you what these glasses look like, because they are amazing. So this is my reading glasses, my computer glasses, this beautiful frame right here. The quality of this, these are not, the hinges are nice, these are not thin and bendable at all. These are really good. And let me show you what these look like. So these are a single focus. Aren't these beautiful? Oh my gosh. I think I like these better than this pair. So this is a single focus pair, and wow, they are so nice. This is only for my computer. So these are only my computer glasses. Aren't they beautiful? They're so pretty. All right, now for sunglasses, I got this pair. And these are multifocal, and they are transitions. So this lens is tinted. Put these on so you can see what these look like. So these lenses actually change color for sun. And because these are not my primary glasses, these are my sunglasses, I got these with this beautiful turquoise color. And these are also fantastic. Like, the quality of this is nice. It's really nice frame. And I like the nose bridge. I like the ears, and I need a wide frame. I have a wide face this way, a wide round face, even though I'm a tiny person. So this works. Look at that. You can see the blue. It's so good. Now, one thing to note about these Zeelool frames is they're a little bit too high for my face, so they literally hide my eyebrows. So keep that in note when you're picking your glasses on them. They have a website and an app. I find the app is much easier to use, and that's what I ordered my prescriptions through. Now, I did have to return my computer glasses. I did have to return this pair, the computer glasses, because I ordered the prescription wrong, and the return was super easy. I had to pay to send them back, but for the price of these glasses, I mean $123, it was like $24.99 for the frames, and then the rest was all lens. I'm not kidding. Usually you don't get the frames for $124. That's just the frame. That's without the lens. For my everyday glasses, the ones I wear all the time, this pair, the lenses were $180 per lens. Per lens. And this, the whole thing, was $124. So if you want to save some coin, I highly recommend Zeelool if you wear glasses. I highly recommend them if you just want quality, optical level lens for sunglasses, because they're so cheap and they're so affordable and they're fast, and the quality of the glasses is exceptional. Again, this review is not sponsored. So take these off and put my normal glasses back on. I need to clean my normal glasses, so I'm going to do that. Always clean your glasses with eyeglass cleaner or water and an eyeglass cleaning cloth. My Zeelool glasses also came with a cleaning cloth. I'm not sure this is it. This is the one that came with it though. But clean your glasses. So keep your lenses from getting scratched if you clean them properly. Okay. Now, I bet you're wondering what these little babies are on the edges of my glasses. These are grippers, or ear grippers. And these are the nicest ones that I found. They keep your glasses from sliding down your face. These are so great. I got them on Amazon. They come in a pack like this, so you get a lot of them. And you just push them over the edge of your glasses, and they won't fall down your face. So this is what they look like, and you just slip them on the edges. So that's what those are. I highly recommend this one over the ones that are much longer. Those are uncomfortable. These are very, very good and comfortable. They don't hurt or anything. So I hope I've convinced you that Zeelool was a good company. Again, they did not contact me for this. I ordered from them myself because I needed glasses. My prescription changed, and because I needed sunglasses and a pair for using my computer as well. So I ordered from Zeelool. I highly recommend you order through the app. It's easier, and they have virtual try on and everything, so you can see what you're doing. And there are apps out there that will measure your pupil distance for your glasses. So don't worry about that. I used one and it's accurate. So yay. I'm super happy with my Zeelool purchase and my Zeelool glasses. and I hope you like this review of Zeelool. And I'm Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Please leave comments if you think this ordering your glasses online will be something that you would like to do in the future, and if you like this review. Bye-bye.